Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can serve basically an ASGI application and integrate it into your routing system with the help of Litestar. So let's call this ASGI int.py. So from typing we import type checking, and this has an underscore, and from starlet dot applications we import starlet, and from starlet dot responses we import JSON response, and from starlet dot routing import route, and from Litestar we import Litestar and the ASGI. So now we define a generic starlet handler. So async def index, it takes a request argument and returns a JSON response, and we return the JSON response forwarded path and the request that URL that path or what should we? Oh no, this is good enough. And we create our starlet application. It's coming from the ASGI, and the path is going to get to the default context route, and is mount equals true. And after that, what we have to do is to call this application with the arguments, so like instantiate it, and we say starlet, and here we will have the routes, and this is going to be a list of routes. So route, let's call this ASGI, and here we pass the index function and the route ABC index function, and the route 1, 2, 3 another sub path, and the index context route. So now this is the end of the list, and we can create our application, and this goes to the Litestar route handlers starlet app, and let's call this uv corn ASGI int app. No module starlet, so pip install starlet, and request is not defined. Litestar, aha. So basically what we would like to do is to import from starlet dot requests import request, and this should do the trick. So now if we open the browser and hit the ASGI context route, you can see that this is the forwarded path, and we have the ABC. This is also working, and we also have the 1, 2, 3 response sub path, No, that's not correct. So another subpath. So another subpath. So there we go. As you can see, now the context routes are handled in the Starlet application. All right, let's see another one. That's a similar. Okay, so let's see how we can specify which HTTP methods are allowed on different context routes. So here, what we would like to do is to basically import from Litestar handlers HTTP handlers, import HTTP route handler, and from Litestar import HTTP method route, and and from Litestar import request as L request. Great. Why did I exit? So now we would like to define our default context route, and if we want, we have the option to define with the route decorator, and here we specify the path. This is going to be the default context route, and the HTTP method is a list, which is HTTP method dot get and HTTP method dot post. Sorry. And here with the async def indexing, or rather just indexing, what we would like to do is to specify the request as argument, and we return a string and return only get and post are allowed. And let's paste the request dot method. All right, so now we have the Starlet app and the indexing as our route handlers. All right, in the browser, if I visit the default context route, you can see that only get and posts are allowed, and this was a get request. Okay, and basically, if I want, I could swap out the route from here with the HTTP route handler, and this would work the same way, because route is just an alias for the HTTP route handler. Voila. Okay. And technically that was it. See you in the next one.